Story Nest.
Ellie the elephant joyfully wades into a crystal-clear lake, the sunlight shimmering on the water's surface, creating a dazzling display of light. Her trunk playfully sprays water upwards, sending droplets cascading down like tiny, sparkling jewels. Barnaby Bear, a fluffy brown bear with a friendly smile, paddles excitedly towards Ellie, his fur glistening with water. Fiona Fox, with her sleek reddish-orange coat, gracefully swims beside him, her bushy tail trailing elegantly behind. A group of colorful birds, including a bright blue jay and a cheerful yellow canary, perch on a nearby branch, chirping merrily as they watch their friends play in the water. Butterflies with delicate wings flutter around the water's edge, adding to the idyllic scene. Ellie playfully splashes Barnaby, sending a shower of water over his head, causing him to chuckle and splash back. Fiona gracefully dives underwater, emerging with a water lily in her mouth, which she gently offers to Ellie. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm golden glow over the lake, Ellie and her friends gather on the shore, tired but happy, their hearts full of the joyful memories they made together on this perfect sunny day.